Hi, welcome to Landager. I am Melvin, and I will be showing you how to set up your first property. Let's begin. Start by clicking on the Add Property button. Now add your property details in this form. Select the type. All these fields are not required. You can leave the state and zip code if you don't want to enter it. Once you have selected the country, the next option allows you to add multiple units to this property. The number of units you will see in the drop-down depends on the units left in your plan. Once you're done, click on the Create Property button, and that will create your first property with your first unit. Now that you can see the property details, it's time to add more details about the unit. This is where you add details like rent amount. Click on the Save button, and just like that, you have added your first property. If you have multiple units, you can click on the Add Unit button and follow the same steps. That's it for this video. Leave a comment if you have any doubts. In the next video, we will walk you through the process of adding your tenant.